Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Rita. Let me show you what I do with these 3 items from Dollar Tree. Come with me. So I've put together a vignette. It is on a tray, and I've taken some florals. These are from Dollar Tree. The greenery is from Walmart, 97 cents. The little birds are also from Dollar Tree. They come 2 a pack. There's the little house, and it is a different one than I showed in the picture. I thought that color would go better. This is one of the board signs with the letters, and I've taken a little bit of lace, and well, it's not lace, it's some sort of ribbon, and I believe I got that from Target, but you could use the Dollar Tree lace, and just hot glued it around there. This is one of the frosted vases from Dollar Tree, and these flowers I actually ordered from Wish. So this is what I've put together to go on my table. I think it looks great. I also have some decorative balls in there. So I'll just give you a close-up of what you can do with some items from Dollar Tree. I think this turned out gorgeous. And this probably took me about 10 minutes to put together. You could put this in your living room. I have it sitting on my dining room table. It's got kind of a tropical vibe to it, which is not exactly what I was going for, but I think these white flowers at the bottom and those colorful birds give it that look. So I just wanted to share something really simple and quick that you can put together, and it looks great. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.